Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this beautiful Christmas wreath. Let's make them. We are going to use this sparkle craft paper. So put this paper clip and make multiple cut on it. Now we are going to paste all of them together using hot glue gun. Roll them like this and we are going to paste them in a circle. Paste a row. Paste a bow as well and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful eco-friendly Christmas tree at home. We are going to paste this thuja leaf on the top of this cardboard. You can also paste more leaves for decoration and look, it's done. Now we are going to put this beautiful paper at the bottom, cover the cardboard. Now cut some star shape and put this very light on the top of it. You can add more details like pom-pom balls and look, it's ready. We're going to use glitter paper, so cut small strips of paper. You can use different colors. Now make this cylindrical shape. After this, we're going to paste all this glitter paper on the top of it from both its sides. Now we are going to combine them and make a ball like this and look, it's done. Similar way, we are going to add this beautiful circle at the top and paste a hanging as well and it's done. We're going to make this beautiful craft for Christmas Day. Let's get started. We're going to take this white paper, fold it and make a triangular shape. Using this coin, we're going to draw this beautiful shape on the top of it. We are making Christmas tree and snowman. Cut it, open it and look, it's ready. Now you can color it like this. You can use different colors of your choice. We are doing this green color on the Christmas tree and look, it's done. Let's make this easy Christmas tree. Use two different color of pen together. Draw the Christmas tree and the trunk. Add more colors like stars and look, it's ready. Let's make this unique Santa Claus. First we are going to make a cone using red paper. Now paste a white strip at the center. Now we are going to make the face of the Santa Claus. So paste this yellow circle at the center. Draw its eyes and its nose as well. Now we are going to make multiple cut on this white paper. Make the beard of the Santa Claus and look, it's ready. We are also putting cotton ball and it's done. Going to cut this shape from paper. Now we are going to put all of them like this. Put a pin and put it on the stick and look, your fun craft is ready. Let's make this Christmas tree using green craft paper. For that we are going to cut these different size of circles. Now we are going to fold all of them like this from all its sides like we're doing here. Now fold it like this and keep it aside. Similar way we are going to fold all the circles and put all of them in a stick like this according to the size. So the Christmas tree is ready. Cut the extra stick and it's done. So make a cone using pink craft paper. Similar way, paste eyes and nose. Paste a cotton ball at the top, put lollipop and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.